Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine and today I will be showing you how to do this kind of neutral glam, really pretty Christmas type makeup. So if you like it, make sure to keep watching. And before you guys say something,
oh my gosh, Jasmine, where have you been? We haven't seen her. Is she dead? Is she even alive?
guys, calm down. There's something called work, there's something called college, there's something called stress. Your girl has been stressed, but thank God we're back, right? Thank God we're back. So maybe I should make a story time about how my semester has been. Talk about a story there. But anyway, if you're interested in this look, please keep on watching. So first, as always, I'm gonna go in with my Pond's Dry Skin Cream and just use a little bit and moisturize all over my face. Then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills, I don't know if you can see it, brow definer in the color dark brown, and I'm just gonna do my brows. Sorry about this crusty dusty mirror. It is what it is though. Now I'm going to carve out my brows with LA Girl's Pro Concealer in the color Medium Beige. And I don't like to carve it all the way, like on the top with Medium Beige. So I go in with a shade that's closer to my foundation color. So I'll carve out my brows at the top with LA Girl's Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And if you're wondering, this is the difference between the colors. Medium Beige, Fawn. So now I'm going in with my Photo Finish Smashbox Primer and putting it in all the places where I really don't want my foundation or concealer to move. Oh, drop the cap. Anyway, so I'm gonna put it, oh, and also I'm gonna put it where I have a lot of like bigger pores so it can fill it all up. This basically blurs everything and smooths everything all out. Make sure you have a flawless application. I am using this Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation in the shade 330 Toffee. And I'm going to be applying that all over my face. What a beautiful base. So now I'll be using my Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 360 and highlighting underneath my eyes, on the top of my lip, and on my chin, and maybe my forehead, we'll see. I never really highlight my forehead, but I figured, why not? Who's it hurting? If this doesn't give me the highlight that I'm looking for, I might have to add the medium beige too. We'll see though. We're all learning as we go along, aren't we? Ooh, this is blending out very nicely. Okay, blend. Okay. If that's not a blend, I don't know what is. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. So now, let us set our face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in light medium 20. When I first got this, I was like, oh man, I hope this isn't too light. But it ends up working out once everything else is melted into the skin. Cause like, yeah, first putting that on the skin, it looks real ghosty, right? What was that? Anyway, first putting it on the skin, it looks really ghostly. But once everything, the end result, it's all gonna come together. You'll see. Okay, so now that this is all set, I'm going to let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm going to brush it off with my fluffy brush. Okay, so now let's brush all this off. I'm going to go in with my True Complexion contour palette in medium to dark, and I'm going to take this middle beautiful shade called Sculpt and just warming up ever so lightly my cheeks. And it really makes a difference, honestly. Oh, don't we love it? I don't know how I was doing my makeup without this. Just walking around, just straight highlight, no type of shade to set off the brightness. And nobody told me by myself either. I'm going to take that exact same shade, Sculpt, and I saw somebody do this, so I'm gonna try it out. They just sweeped it onto their lid, and it looked really pretty. They put it into their crease, so let's see how this goes. Well, maybe I should, yeah, let's set the lid first. So I'm going to take medium beige, set the lid first. Okay, so now that that's all set, I'm going to go in with this Sculpt shade again and see what happens. Let's put it in this crease and see what we make. I'm even gonna go in with this highlight shade. It's in this palette as well, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. See what we create. Oh, that's pretty. I like it. So let's do it again. All right, that is pretty. Thank you to Annie for letting me know about this. She knows who she is. I'm even gonna go underneath with the two brown shades. And put it on my lower lash line. Because why not, right? Why not? I'm so surprised it came out so nice. Let's keep going. Okay, we warmed up our face. Do we want to cut it? Yeah, let's cut it. So I'm gonna go in with my powder. I'm gonna dab it and cut it. Now the thing that's really tricky about cutting it, that's what I call it, is making sure the lines are symmetrical on both sides, because if you don't, you'll look like one cheek is up here and the other one is down here, and you do not want to be looking crazy. And honestly, it's something that I struggle with, so I'm gonna do it over here. Sorry if you guys can't see. Good enough to me. So now we let it sit just for a little bit, because the thing about this powder is that it's very, what's the word, pigmented. So once that thing is set in your skin, it's gonna be hard to come out. I'm gonna tap it in, press it into the skin, then I'm gonna brush it. See what I tell y'all? It don't come out. But you gotta be sure it's exactly where you want it, or else it's not gonna come out and you gonna be caught slipping. So now we're going in with our blush, and I'm using the Warm Berry. What brand is this? You see it, y'all, please don't cut me up in the comments. I've had this for a while. It's done me well, okay? It doesn't really have, I don't know the brand. Artisan Color Baked Blush in Warm Berry. That's all I know. I use very little because it is very pigmented, if you couldn't already tell. This thing is like bright red. Let me do a swatch for y'all. This is my arm, and this is the swatch. Are you serious? I am. Are you kidding me? This is blush. This is like an eyeshadow. So like I said, just a little bit. Just lightly brush. So now we're going to do my favorite part, the highlighting. So I'm going in with my trusty dusty tried and true KaePop Glow Up by Colourpop. This is what it looks like. Yes, I've hit the pan. I've had this since I was like 16. So when I tell you this stuff is really good. Oh, do I need to say more? Like, this is really everything. It takes you from like a 6 to a 10, I'm telling you. Oh, I can't. I have no words. We're almost at the end. I'm going to now line my lips with another one of my favorites. This thing is so small now because I use it literally like every day. This is the, what is the color of this? Cocoa, but I don't know the brand, sorry. Little baby pencil, but it's in cocoa. And I'm gonna line my lips and then fill it with this beautiful red color called Starcrossed by Colourpop. It is a liquid lip. Now for mascara. I'm going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara and putting that on my upper lashes. And now, lashes. I did it! Okay, we did it. So now we're gonna, do you think we need more glow? I feel like this is a really like holiday dramatic type really pretty look, so y'all know how I do. I'm gonna need me a little more, so I'm going in with my Master Chrome. I'm going in with my Master Chrome metallic highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I'm just gonna use my fingers, and wow, look at that, and just go over. Wow. Very lightly. What I already highlighted. Ooh, that don't need it. Wow. Are you kidding me? Are you serious? Wow. It's disrespectful shine. Don't we love it? Okay. Oh, absolutely. We're gonna finish the look with some setting spray, and this is the NYX Professional Makeup Dewy Finish Long Lasting Spray. Alright, so guys, this is the final look. If you liked it, make sure to give me a big thumbs up down below, subscribe if you're new, and follow me on my social media. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.